Hi everyone, my name's SheEmperor AdodoOsumare Eredade, and today on Ereduatopia Highlands, which is my channel where I showcase so many things I'm into, one platform, different niches. Today on High, I bring to you the segment High Farms. Okay, I want to show you how to scare away goats or cows from your farm. Sometimes you may have a farm pretty close to the house, maybe a kind of a garden, and you have planted maize, as you can see here, and you don't want goats to hit your meats, to eat your corn, to eat your maize. So this is what you do. We get some sticks like this, something like this, as you can see. So you stick it to the ground. Then you get some ropes. As you can see here, I have used mosquito nets. The ones that I'm no longer using, I've used them. So you get some bottles, the ones that are no longer useful to you. You tie some rope around the head. Yes, ma. Era, ma. You tie one of my neighbors is greeting me. You tie some ropes around the head of the bottles, then you stretch it down to the next rope. It's best if each bottles are like two, like this. You can see I've tied up two bottles. So when the wind blows, these bottles, they make sounds, they jingle. So it scares away goats. So you don't have to worry about goats eating up your crops or the things that you have planted, especially if you have planted crops like corn, sweet corn, maize. You understand? So that's how you go about it. You can see I have extended the ropes to the four corners of where I have my corn, where I've planted my maize. See this one. I hope this is helpful. I hope this is very helpful to you. So it doesn't have to be a specific kind of bottle, it can be any kind of bottle. Okay, just make sure there are two or three. You tie it around like this. You can use any rope, it doesn't necessarily have to be a used mosquito net. Okay, sometimes whatever you can find your hands on to make a rope, just make the rope. Once you've made the rope, then you extend it. You let it go as far as you can. You can see this is my maize here. You can see. All right, this is another. These are the bottles. I hope you get the point. You will just stretch the ropes as long as they can go. So it's best you go for a very long rope, maybe rags, maybe normal day-to-day ropes, or like I've used mosquito nets. I've used it to form a rope. I cut it up. Okay, then I now use bottles that are no longer of use to me. Now I tie it. You can see it's two, 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 two. You can make yours three, three. It doesn't matter. You can see another post here. So I've made some posts. This farm is very close to home, very close to my place here, where I have my poultry. I have a poultry pretty close by, so I don't want this land to just go to waste. So I wanted to plant maize, and there are some of my neighbors here that have goats. I don't want their goats to disturb what I have planted, so this is what I have done, which has helped me in scaring away the goats. I hope this video has been helpful. If you like this content, it's just one So as I was saying earlier, if you like my content, you like the things that I've been bringing to you here on Ereduatopia Highlands channel, which is one platform, different niches, please like. That's my dog. Please like, share, comment, hit the notification bell so that anytime I post anything new, you can see it. Okay. Ereduatopia Highlands is celebrating everything that has to do with me, everything that has to do with what I am capable of doing. Is one platform, different niches, and you will see in the description down below every other thing I'm into. I'll try as much as possible to put it in the description down below, the videos, or each and every one of my videos, or each and every one of my posts, so that you have an idea what this is all about. I hope this has been helpful to you. Okay, see you in my next post, see you in my next video. Bye for now.